Alright, so right now we're gonna be working on the chicken. We're gonna clean up the chicken and we're gonna let it marinate so that we can get some more flavors in it. So you wanna start by removing the fat from the outside. Removing most of the fat. Like that. Yeah. Alright, so we have this ready. So let's get the seasoning on the road. So we have this is a mixture of the Feel Good Chef seasoning. This one is gonna be available sometime next year.
Alright.
But that's my secret seasoning that I created. So you make sure all of the chicken gets as much seasoning inside the skin. Then we have some grace seasoning. You use this one before? Yeah, this is a Jamaican grace seasoning. We have some black pepper. And we have some adobo. This is garlic, scallion, and allspice. Alright, you see this now. You know what this is?
What's that?
Alright, this is a Jamaican food brownie.
Okay.
Basically caramelized sugar. So what it does, it gives the chicken or the meat a rich dark color. So we're not going to be using too much because we don't want it to be too black or too dark. Alright, so we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes or 20 minutes until we complete the prepping, then we come back to this one. Alright, so we're going to add some oil to this while it's heating up. And that's for the whole chicken. Yeah.
Just, wait, there we are.
Alright, this hot now, we can drop in it. So I'm gonna go breast side down first.
Okay.
Is it gonna work? Maybe. I've never done this before, so we actually getting a whole brown stew chicken. Yeah, that should be good.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna let this fry for about 5 more minutes. Then we're gonna take it out and then work on the sauce. Ooh, pretty loud. I'm gonna take out the chicken now.
Okay.
Look how this look. It looks good.
Yes, it does.
And remember, we haven't finished cooking it as yet, you know, so we're going to make the sauce for it.
Okay.
So it's a 2-step process to this. So I'm gonna prepare the veggies for the sauce.
Yeah, that's a cool shot. Same one as Batman? Yeah, I don't really know.
Exactly, it's everything.
Well, right, yeah.
Barbecue.
Barbecue! Yeah.
Brown stew sauce. So for the brown stew sauce, I'm gonna be using some of these veggies. I'm gonna be using some garlic, seasoning. Alright. So we just wanna go ahead and add. Yeah. We just wanna go ahead and add the veggies. Garlic. Alright, so the Feel Good Chef seasoning, this one will be available next year. This one is my special blend. You guys can purchase that one as well. Hey, a guy gotta eat, right? I've been working on that seasoning for a few years now, like maybe a year. I think I have it pieced out. Alright. So this, we're basically making the brown stew sauce. You ever had brown stew before?
No. Ah. No.
No. Thought you were gonna say it. Adding some. Normally we'll be using the brown sugar, but they have the white one, so that's what we're using. Not a lot of sugar, guys. It's only maybe 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna caramelize this until it becomes brown. And put some water on in the kettle. Adding some ketchup.
That good?
Yeah, that's good. No, that's good. I want to add in some water. It should be enough to cover the chicken, right? That should be good.
This is.
Some more seasoning. You guys like spicy food?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna add some spice to this. Well, some more of this right here. Charity seeds. That's the legal amount to take over here from Jamaica. So we're just gonna add some to the soup. Gives it a nice flavor. So I'm gonna add some flour and some water. This is gonna make it thick. Alright. So now that we have the gravy working down, we're gonna add the whole chicken. See?
Mm-hmm. Right in the sauce.
Right in the sauce, man. And then we're gonna let this slow cook for about 45 minutes, and then it should be good.
All right.
Alright, so let's look at the brown stew whole chicken. Ooh, and this is done. It's good.